Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and keep your face yoga routine in track. I am watching you. Today we are going to work on our eyes opening and also droopy eyelids. Before we get started, I suggest you to hydrate your face, especially around your eyes, because we are going to work on our eyes, and also keep working on these exercises at least one a day, combined with my other videos in my channel that I prepare for you. Our first exercise gonna be detox. The detox is to inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. While you exhale, you have to stick your tongue out like this. Okay, I will show you for the first time. Inhale and exhale. When you exhale, you have to do this will relax and release all the tension in your body. Let's do it for 3 times. Inhale and exhale. Another one. Inhale and exhale. And we're gonna do the last one. Inhale and exhale, and this time you have to exhale all the air in your abdominal like this. Okay, inhale and close your eyes. Open your eyes. The next exercise, we are going to work on our muscle around the eyes. What you are going to do is you have to put like glasses, and you put them here on your eyes and press them to your head like this. No gaps, no gap, not like this. Not like this. You have to put them, press them on your face, and then you spread your fingers a little bit. I will explain you again. See, like this. Put on your eyes, press them to your face, and spread your fingers like this a little bit. Okay, and then you squeeze like this for 10 times. At the same time, you have to relax your shoulder, relax your forehead as usual. Let's start. O around your eyes. Press them and then spread them. Spread your fingers like this. Relax your shoulder and relax your forehead and squeeze for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close your eyes, relax, and you tap a little bit. I love tapping after exercises. It's really help blood flow around your eyes and around your face also. You can do this all the time. Let's do the next one. Another one. O. Put them on around your eyes and press them on your face. Spread your fingers a little bit. Breathe, relax your shoulder, relax your forehead, and we count to 10. Screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Tap, tap, tap a little bit. I hope you feel the muscle around your eyes working, because mine are. Let's do the last one. The O. Put them around your eyes. Press them on your face. Spread them the finger a little bit. Relax your shoulder, relax your forehead, and also breathe. Then I will count to 10. Squint for 10 times, okay? 1, 2, 3. Relax your shoulder. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. The next exercises, we are going to look around like this, okay? These exercises really help your eyes, the vision of your eye. You can look better and further. Really good, right? And at the same time, it tones your muscle. So this exercise, you're going to need your finger to guide your eyes. You can do like this and stay straight, not like this, okay? Just look with your eyes up, follow your point of the finger, and left and down, and then we turn other side like this, this, and this. We good? Okay, let's go. I will start from the left. Look on the left, up, straight, and on the right, and down, and then on the right, and up, and on the left, and down. Close your eyes. This exercise also can help to relax your eyes, because we tend to use a lot of our eyes on everything. Reading, looking, people, on the telephone, everything. Let's do another one. This time from the right. You look far, far away to the Fiona Kingdom, and then you look up, and then to the left, and then down, and then to the left, and then up, right, down, and relax. This time we do the last one, but we're gonna do twice. Follow me step by step, okay? Just start from the right, look at the right, far away, and then up, and then left, down, left, up, right, down. This time we are going to do slower. From the left, or follow your finger, slowly up, slowly right, slowly down, and then turn other side, on the right, and then up, and left, then down. Good job. Close your eyes, relax, and tap a little bit. This one we are going to do a little bit of massage. Who doesn't like massage, right? You knit your fingers like this, and we are going to massage here, 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 and also we are going to knit our fingers, and we are going to massage these 3 points and also this one. Okay, both sides. Your finger, and when you massage, you do circle motion like this. Really lightly love yourself, and like this. Okay, and like this, and then this really gentle on under the eyes, really gentle. Start in circle motion, lightly like this. We will do just 5 motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and move to the next point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and move to the next point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and under the eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the next point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and under the eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then tap a little bit. Let's do the last one. Put your finger here. Circle motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The pressure is really light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And under the eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap, 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 tap time. Thank you for joining me today. I know that you love my videos, so please give thumbs up, comment, and share. Especially subscribe if you are new here. See you next time. Bye bye.